Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a new portfolio on the Collectr app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and make a new portfolio. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Collectr app. And now there's multiple ways you can do it. I like to click on Portfolio on the bottom right-hand corner. Next, click on Portfolio Singles on the top-hand side. Your name of your portfolio might look different. Now, where next to it says Choose Portfolio, click on Add New. So this is where you can go ahead and enter a new portfolio. So let's call this one Sealed, and then click on the check mark. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and make a new portfolio on the Collectr app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.